In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize files in Google Drive using shortcuts on a computer. If you've ever wished a single file could live in more than one folder without making copies, shortcuts are the perfect solution. They let you keep one original file while placing pointers to it in multiple folders, so everything stays tidy and easy to find. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to drive.google.com. Any modern browser will work. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Google account so you can access your Drive. Once you're in, locate the file or folder you want to organize. You can scroll through My Drive, browse shared drives if you use them, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Sorting by recent or last modified can also help surface the right item fast. When you've found the file or folder, right-click it to open the context menu. On a trackpad, a two-finger click works too. From that menu, click Organize. In the Organize options, choose Add Shortcut. This is the key action that creates a pointer to your original item rather than moving or duplicating it. Next, choose the folder where you want the shortcut to appear. You can expand folders to navigate deeper or jump into another section of your drive as needed. Take a moment to confirm you're placing it in the right folder so your structure stays consistent. When you're ready, click Add Shortcut. You'll see the shortcut appear in the selected folder, often with a small arrow icon indicating it's a shortcut. Your original file remains in its original location, unchanged. You can repeat these steps to place the same file in multiple folders using shortcuts. This is especially useful when a document relates to several projects or teams. A helpful note: removing a shortcut only removes the pointer, not the original file. However, if the original is deleted or its access changes, all shortcuts pointing to it will be affected. Also, you'll need appropriate access to add shortcuts into shared folders or shared drives. That's all there is to it. By using shortcuts, you keep a single source of truth while making your content easy to reach from different parts of your drive. That's how you organize files in Google Drive using shortcuts instead of moving them. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.